Hey, Rain Nation, I'm Jen Josey, and welcome back to the Real Estate Investor Growth Network channel, where we help you grow as an investor. Today, we are talking about flipping for a rental versus flipping for a sale, and why that renovation game changes. If you are new to real estate investing, you might think renovating a rental is the same as renovating a flip, but trust me, it's a whole different ballgame. So let's break it down and talk about how your renovation strategy needs to change depending on your end goal. Number one, focus on durability for rentals. When renovating a rental, durability is king. You're not trying to impress buyers with trendy upgrades. You're preparing the property to withstand wear and tear from tenants. Opt for materials like vinyl plank flooring instead of hardwood or carpet. Vinyl is affordable, it's long-lasting, and it's easy to replace if it gets damaged. For walls, stick to neutral paint colors that are easy to touch up. My personal favorite is Sherwin-Williams Alpaca. Number two, budget allocation. Function over flash. For a rental, you want to spend money where it counts, on systems and features that tenants rely on every day. Replace old HVAC systems, fix plumbing issues, and update appliances to reliable mid-range options. Avoid splurging on high-end finishes like quartz countertops or custom backsplashes. These upgrades don't add value to a rental the way they might for a flip. Number three, safety and code compliance. Unlike flips, where aesthetics might take center stage, rentals must prioritize safety and meeting local code requirements. Check for things like smoke detectors, handrails on stairs, and properly functioning locks on doors and windows. These are non-negotiables when it comes to keeping your tenants safe and avoiding liability issues. Number four, low maintenance equals fewer headaches. Rental renovation should aim to minimize future maintenance. Choose fixtures and materials that are easy to clean and repair. For example, install a simple fiberglass surround shower instead of tile, which can require regrouting over time. And always go for durable faucets and cabinet hardware that can handle repeated use. Number five, tenant appeal versus buyer appeal. When flipping a property, you're designing to wow the buyers and make them fall in love with the home. But for a rental, it's all about functionality and affordability. Tenants want a space that's clean, functional, and move-in ready. Skip the expensive staging or trendy design elements and focus on creating a comfortable, practical living space. So, there you have it, flipping a rental versus flipping for a sale, and why that renovation game changes. Renovating a rental property is all about durability, functionality, and keeping maintenance costs low. Unlike flips, where you're focused on creating that wow factor for buyers, rentals require smart, practical choices that align with long-term profitability. By focusing on the essentials, you'll save money up front and avoid costly repairs down the road. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with your favorite low-maintenance renovation tip. Let's inspire each other, Rain Nation. And if you're ready to connect with a community of badass investors who are crushing their goals, come join us at RAIN, the Real Estate Investor Growth Network. Visit rainmastermind.com to learn more and take your real estate journey to the next level. Until next time, Rain Nation, now go out there and share your badassery. And don't forget, make it a great day. Take care. Bye-bye. Whoop, whoop.